Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Weight Watchers, quick access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Weight Watchers. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the site loads, look for the login option. Click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Weight Watchers dashboard. From here, you can access your progress and plan. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. If problems persist, consider contacting customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.